All right. Hello, everyone. My name is Amit Lopez. I'm an assistant professor in the Industrial Manufacturing and Systems Engineering program at UTEP and also regional director for TMAC Paso del Norte. I'm grateful for the opportunity by SESME to provide my thoughts on how underserved small and medium manufacturers can take advantage of smart manufacturing. So we are in unprecedented times where it's taking a lot of effort and time to fill positions. In manufacturing, taking about 70 days to recruit someone, and 6 out of 10 job positions are going unfulfilled. Also, only about 10% of the workforce is currently an underserved or minority workforce, and this presents opportunities to upskill minority or underserved workforce in advanced technologies such as smart manufacturing. Also, there is big disparities in the number of jobs and the pay available in metro cities versus non-metro cities. There are several initiatives that have been taken up by entities or organizations that deal with increasing minority participation, and there are several pathways that are being created to upskill this underserved workforce in many technologies, including smart manufacturing. So we here in El Paso have a unique binational dynamic at play, and we certainly take advantage of that here locally. So a strategy to promote and increase adoption in smart manufacturing in an underserved community is presented here. We would start by engaging local manufacturing associations or local MEPs in understanding the current workforce, manufacturing workforce in the region, and what is the immediate technological need. So in El Paso, when we sent out a survey to industry leaders, we saw that although our employees and workforce are proficient in manufacturing processes, technology knowledge, and problem solving, there is an opportunity to increase the skills in programming and computer and digital skills. We went further and asked these industry leaders what technologies in their manufacturing companies they foresee as the need and are important for their future. And they mentioned predictive analytics, equipment digitization, virtual factory models, data analytics, etc., as some things that they would appreciate having the knowledge on. So with this opportunity to upskill the local workforce and the need of specific technologies, we developed a smart manufacturing curriculum plan using funding from the Department of Energy and SESME. So these 5 courses listed here, Introduction to Smart Manufacturing, Data Analytics, Data Visualization, Augmented and Virtual Reality, and Digitization, were a result of this investigation that we did. And it's designed to upskill the UTEP graduates as well as the local employees willing to upskill in the smart manufacturing needed technologies and methodologies. So when a student or employee goes through this curriculum, either by taking courses at UTEP or just the specific courses to gain the certificate, we envision that particular participant to come out with the industrial automation knowledge where they can implement industrial automation in their future workplaces. They can affect systems digitization to monitor critical equipment remotely, gather data on it and make sense of that data, and then also implement the problem solving and critical thinking in real world environments. So we're trying to, through this knowledge, upskill the current QA manager to a smart QA manager, quality assurance. We are planning to upskill the production scheduler of current manufacturing environments to a smart scheduler. We're trying to convert the plant manager into a smart factory manager that takes advantage of this skill set, and future engineers to become that develop manufacturing systems to become smart manufacturing designers. So UTEP, as I said, takes pride in its mission of providing access to excellent education, and we do that by our unique place in the region. We are a binational city. We have a lot of Hispanic population, 80%. We affect a lot of regional economic development. Many of our graduates are first generation graduates, and they really change the trajectory of their entire family and generation. And based on our location, we have a heavy international population with 2/3 being Mexican nationals. So with this access to underserved and minority population, when we go about implementing the smart manufacturing curriculum at UTEP, we will increase the minority participation with smart manufacturing technical knowledge and skills. We are in the process of developing a laboratory at UTEP where we can generate use cases relevant to our region's manufacturers and implement those at our partner organizations or manufacturing companies. That will increase the adoption. So these two initiatives will lead to an increase in SM educated workforce and will help stimulate the growth and participation of a regional supply chain in manufacturing in our region. Historically, we have been strong in the manufacturing area with automotive, aerospace, and medical device manufacturing very heavy. And so we feel that with this strategy, we will be able to increase the smart manufacturing workforce in our region. We will partner with local economic development and workforce development entities such as the Borderplex Alliance and Workforce Solutions Borderplex, and then leverage the TMAC network to make this happen. So this is my perspective on how we can increase smart manufacturing innovation and diversity by promoting this in a regional underserved small and medium manufacturers. Thank you for your time.